Everybody, here is another old and really rare style in my area. Loren Cook bathroom fan or exhaust fan. This one here is a much older style before they started making ones with the little squares with the Cook logo in the middle or the green head looking grill. So this here is like a first generation, and it still has an original motor that works. Well, hence why I'm making a video. Let's go ahead and turn this on, shall we? There's one of these outside, like a vent. There's two of them in the ceiling outside. So this here could be a transition vent because of how powerful the exhaust fan is. So to make sure that we do not have too much pressure in this room. I think that's a smart idea. I don't think that's a supply vent because of the fact that there's two outside. There's two rooms above unisex, with one being out of order this time. So I'm going to turn it off. That's a really nice startup. I'll go ahead and do it one more time. Do it very close. Thanks for watching and peace out.